It's not the prettiest, but I think it'll work. I could have went with the camouflage straps. Personally, I don't think it matters. Once it's here for a while and the deer get used to it, it doesn't matter what it looks like. If anybody that says any different apparently has never seen a deer next to a road or next to a house. So, I mean, I've seen them right next to places I walk every single day. It's all about them getting used to something new in the area. But anyways, got this. Got these anchored down with tent pegs. Because this is on a pretty good hill. It's about like this or so. It's kind of hard to see probably in the video. I mean, it's still leaning a little. I mean, I've got a rock perched up. But I got it all cinched down. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. About to put some corn in it. We got our battery. And then we're going to throw the spreader on there and see how it works. Alright, so here's the battery I ended up going with. It's a little rechargeable one. And I got a battery charger. I looked to see if they had any of the solar rechargers I was going to throw on here. But the Royal King I went to didn't have any. So, going with this. And slide this in there. And you get the 2 alligator clips. We'll hook it to real quick. Alright, like I said, the battery was positive, negative. Put that in there, went ahead and put the bottom back on. I set it, it was really easy to set. You hit the set button, it says set 1, push up and down to change the time. It was that easy. You can set up to 6 different feedings, or for it to throw 6 different times. It just slides up on there and turns. I got it set to go off in like 2 minutes to do a test for 2 seconds. So I'm gonna throw some corn in here and we're gonna watch it go off here in a second. Alright, set it for 46. I just hit 46 on my watch. So we'll give it a minute and see what happens. Maybe I didn't hit 46. Tell you what, it looks kind of like a maypole or something crazy out there. Oh, there it goes. That was only 2 seconds. The spread on there wasn't bad. Let's see. We got a piece of corn right here. I'm gonna actually measure that out. Give me just a second. We'll see what the spread looks like. Alright, well that spread was about 10 feet from here out. So you're looking at 20-foot circumference pretty much. And it's not, I mean, it's spread out. It's thin. I don't like that. I didn't want the, not a huge pile under there, which under here, because you got it throwing in, it's bouncing off all this coming back. So there's going to be more under there, but that's not bad. It's just a little bit. We'll do this for a while, and then maybe we'll up it to 2 feedings a day of this. But there we have it. All in all, see, I bought the straps and the pegs. The rest of it was salvage stuff, so our stuff I had around here. The little pieces up there, so we're looking at 30, 40, 50 bucks. Could have bought the whole kit for what, 80 maybe. But oh, there it is. I like it. And I just gotta find probably eventually we'll get better legs for this thing, and might end up going to a 55-gallon drum. But I kind of like this one, and I'll show you why. All right. Like I said, I was thinking about doing a whole 55-gallon drum, but I kind of like having the half one, because you can see in here, I mean, I can fit, that's 50 pounds right there, and that's, I could probably fit 150 pounds in here, at least, yeah, at least another 2 bags, so 150 pounds, and this thing is armpit deep, and I'm still getting 20-foot, you know, spread on it all. So I'm kind of happy with the height like that, because it's gonna be super easy to fill. Like I said, I got a old stop sign I'm gonna go and put on the top, and then just throw some yeah, bungee cords over it. Go from there. Alright, like I said, I'll keep you updated on how this thing actually performs and how long that battery lasts me. I'm going to go ahead and probably get a second one, so I'll have it fully charged, come out and switch it out. It does give you an estimated time on how long the feed's going to last. For you put in how much feed you put in there, and then you also put in how, you know, it knows how long your settings are. So at 2 seconds, I think it was it throws a little over half a pound. So it'll take, you know, 50 pounds, about half a pound. If you do it twice a day, then of course that's a little over a pound a day, so you're looking at 30 days. Or, you know, so it tells you a rough estimate of that. And I think it might go ahead and not have an auto stop, so it doesn't just sit there and spin once you're out of feed. But we'll track that and see how it goes. Hope this helps. If somebody's looking at buying one of these, I'll throw an Amazon link in there where I got it. Like I said, I think it was like $36, $38. And then you just throw it on any bucket or barrel you got. Throw some feed on it and you're good to go. And yeah, setting the timer was super simple. If anybody wants me to go over setting the timer, let me know. But there are other videos on it. But it's literally hit the set button. It says set 1 up and down, and you just push and hold it, and it runs through the clock quicker. Too easy. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think. And yeah, have a good one. Alright, so got the top on here. I just some straps to hold it in place. It ain't going nowhere. You can see we got it full. It's got 150 pounds in there. I took the little thing off here. Like I said, it's real easy. Hit set. Put it at 150. So many pounds. Hit it again. This is the first alarm at 7 a.m. We're actually going to take that down to 6:30, I think. Let's do 6:45. Set. 2 seconds. Set. Now we're at, see, it says set timer 2. Now let's go with 7 o'clock at night. There's the AM PM right there. And I'll probably have to adjust these again. Need to look at my daylight. Set 2 seconds. And then the rest of them just set for 0 seconds. And then there's the time, current time there. Actually, that was the other one I said earlier. I need to clear that out. Well, put it to 0. We're good. Estimated feeding days remaining. Is it 100 something? The 150 pounds currently. Yep. That's what time it is. So we're good to go. This thing's set. We'll put the side cover back on, and we're done for now. We'll come back and put up my game cam either later tonight or Sunday night.